Hello everyone, my name is Shyam Chauhan and today we are going to start with chapter number 1 real number. We are going to cover topic number 1.2 and we are going to discuss what are prime numbers and composite numbers. So let us start. Let us start with prime numbers and composite numbers. What are prime numbers? Prime numbers have only two factors, that is that is 1 and number itself. For example, 7 is prime number. That means 7 can be written as 1 into 7 and factors are 1 and 7. Let us take non-prime number, that is 8. 8 can be written in 1 into 8, 2 into 4. So the factors are 1, 2, 4 and 8. So let us discuss the prime numbers between 1 and 100. Between 1 and 100. These all are the prime numbers between 1 and 100. 1 is neither prime nor composite. Now let's discuss composite numbers. Composite numbers are those numbers that have factor more than 2. For example, 6 that is equals to 1 into 6 and 2 into 3 and factors are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Now let's discuss topic number 1.2, Fundamental Theorem of Arithmetic. What is the use of fundamental theorem of arithmetic? That is, we can apply the theorem to explore when exactly the decimal expansion of rational number is terminating and when it is non-terminating and repeating. The fundamental theorem of arithmetic to prove the irrationality of numbers. That is, we have studied that root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7 are irrational numbers. These are the two applications of fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Now let's discuss the fundamental theorem of arithmetic, that is theorem 1.1. Fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes and the prime factorization is unique. Every composite number, we have discussed the composite number, that is 4 is composite, 6 is composite, 8 is composite and so on. The composite number can be expressed as a product of primes, that is 4 can be expressed as product of primes, that is 2 into 2, where 2 is a prime number. 6 can be expressed as product of primes, that is 2 into 3, where 2 and 3 are prime numbers. And the factorization, that is 2 into 3, 2 into 2 is unique apart from order in which the prime factor occurs, that is 2 into 3 is unique. We can write 2 into 3 as 3 into 2, where order doesn't matter. They have taken one example, that is 32,760, that can be expressed as product of primes. 32,760 is a composite number and that can be expressed as product of primes, that is 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 5 into 7 into 13, that is 2 cube, 3 square, 5 into 7 into 13, that is 2, 3, 5, 7 and 13 are prime numbers. In next lecture, we will cover example 1 and example 2. Thank you.